Season 3 Episode 11. Tamir Brown's second clone crashes the school bus / arrested / grounded.
Tamir Brown's second clone. It's time for school.
No, I don't want to go to school. I want to stay home and play video games.
Too bad. You are going to school or else you're grounded. Your bus will be here any minute.
Man, I don't want to go to school. I want to stay home instead. Tamir Brown's second clone. You have to go to school. Oh look, the bus is here. Man, I don't want to go to school. School is boring. Come on, Tamir Brown's second clone. Please stop hating on school. No, classic wallet. Stop saying that. I don't want to go to school. I hate school. Tamir Brown's second clone. I said stop hating on school, because you need to learn something. You know what? That's it. Tamir Brown's second clone. Sit down right now. No! Hey! Tamir Brown's second clone. Go back to your seat. Haha! I'm going to hijack the school bus. Ha 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 ha. I'm making this bus faster. Oh no! Why is this bus going so fast?
Oh no, it's going fast. Oh no, the bus is going too fast. Wah!
Oh my god, the bus is going super fast.
No 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 no. The bus is going so fast. It will be okay, Golden Tanic. The bus is going to slow down soon. The bus is going super fast. Driving a school bus is fun. Oh no! The school bus is going out of control. I better avoid. Oh no! It's too late. I'm gonna crash.
Ah! The bus is crashing! Oh my god, the bus has crashed. Everyone get out of the emergency exit. Guys, are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to call 911.
After Titanic called 911.
Tamir Brown's second clone, you are under arrest for crashing the school bus. Get in my police car right now. Oh my god, stop crying.
When Tamir Brown's second clone arrived to jail.
This is your cell. You will be staying here for 1 week. We have some visitors.
Tamir Brown's second clone. How dare you crash the school bus? That's it. You are grounded until you get out of jail.
Wah!
Thanks for watching.